natural disasters on an event channel, you are welcome. Please, if you enjoy the video, put a like, a comment, and subscribe. If you haven't done it yet, it helps me to evolve the channel. Thank you. India's Tamil Nadu was struck by a powerful windstorm. The cyclone, closely monitored by Doppler weather radars, rapidly transformed into a terrifying tempest within a span of less than 24 hours. Currently, it is positioned approximately 260 kilometers south-southeast of Chennai, and 180 kilometers east-northeast of Kodaikanal. As the menacing storm gradually approached the coastal region of Tamil Nadu, the northern areas experienced sporadic light to moderate rainfall, while certain locations faced heavy downpours. The Indian Meteorological Department confirmed that the cyclone was anticipated to make landfall near midnight. The coastal areas, along with other parts of the state, witnessed extensive precipitation ranging from light to heavy rain. Notably, Kodaikanal reported substantial rainfall, prompting authorities to arrange emergency shelters for residents residing in vulnerable zones. This ferocious windstorm is projected to reach the Mamallapuram vicinity, crossing the coast as a cyclonic storm. It possesses a maximum sustained wind speed of 180 km per hour, accompanied by gusts reaching 100 km per hour. I wish you pleasant moments. Goodbye.